Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you Open Monograph Press custom theme development. Now friends, if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my beautiful blog, therichpost.com. Please contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID, WhatsApp number, and a POC ID as well. And also, on my blog, you will get multiple free themes related to e-commerce, admin dashboards, business tip, and all kind of Angular stuff, React, Vue.js, Bootstrap 5, and so on. Now back to Monograph Press. And friends, you can download Monograph Press from here. And I must say, this is default theme layout, and this I have made it with Bootstrap 5. And now I will show you the theme demo UI template. See friends, the top section, see, and also it's fully responsive, will work on all the devices. And the top navigation section, beautiful hero section friends, see, scroll down, explore books, and friends, see the hover effect, see, and scroll more, browse by subjects, see friends, beautiful hover effect, and the stats for books, and beautiful book section, testimonials, what authors say, see, stay updated, and beautiful footer section, friends. And I must say, it's fully responsive as well. So no need to worry about responsiveness, friends. See, like I said, it will work for all the devices. Fully responsive, Open Monograph Press theme will work for all the devices. And friends, this is just demo. I will work on all other pages as well, and after it I will come with more themes as well. And friends, I must say again, if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion, requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. And also friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also please support me, and you'll get more free themes in future as well. And friends, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.